So if you wear dental appliances, you know how dirty and grimy these can get on an everyday basis. And so I was thrilled to have received these retainer cleaners by Weiss Naturals. My daughters wear Invisalign, and these definitely come in handy because the doctors do not provide them with any cleaning supplies or anything. So this is a really good find for us, and really thrilled to have gotten these. So before I show you a demonstration on how to clean your dental appliances, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So one thing they wanted to mention is that it's persulfate and dye-free. These are extra strength cleaning tablets, and you get 30 in a package. So that's basically a month's supply if you use them on a daily basis. And it says that it kills 99% of common odor-causing bacteria, and it cleans and restores aligners, dentures, and guards. And this particular scent is the mint scented tablets. So the different types of appliances, you can use these on clear retainers, wire retainers, clear aligners, sports mouth guards, night guard, bruxism appliances, TMJ appliances, dentures. And it says that the benefits of being persulfate free is that it helps to avoid allergic reactions. It's safer for the appliances. It's environmentally friendly, and there's no chemical aftertaste. And I can attest to the fact that there is no chemical aftertaste, because both my girls have told me that they don't have an aftertaste. So it comes in these individually wrapped packs with a tablet in each pack. And then another nice thing is that also comes with this removal tool to help remove your appliance. So this is the packet. I don't wear them, so I can't really show you, but this is what the little pamphlet comes with it. And it says no more broken nails. Use the retainer removing tool included, and it keeps fingers and germs away. So it shows you right here, you just kind of go in and just use it to kind of remove it. And it just helps to preserve your nails and the integrity of the appliance. So I thought that was really nice that it gives you this. So it seems like they're really all about hygiene, because they're into cleaning the device, and they give you tools to help not introduce additional bacteria, which is nice. So it says the way you use it is that you drop one tablet into warm, not hot water, enough to cover the appliance. Place the appliance into the bubbling solution, let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and then take it out. The appliance is clean, sterilized, and odor-free. And then if you have really tough stains, or if it's really dirty, you can soak it up to overnight. Then you want to rinse the appliance and hands thoroughly under running water, and then just pat clean with a dry cloth, and it's ready for use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. So here is the tablet that I took out, and you just tear it open, very easy to come out. And this is what the tablet looks like. Just put it in the water, and then you see it starts to bubble. And so it says to put this in the bubbling water. So I'm going to put the aligners in the bubbling water, and then I'll let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. So you can see that it's bubbling really well, and it has a really nice minty scent to help deodorize. So now I took these out of the solution, rinsed them off really well, and patted them dry, and you can see they look really, really nice and clean and shiny, no odor, and they just smell really fresh. And really, I'm really happy that these were brought to my attention and discovered these for my girls. If you have a dental appliance, I highly recommend this product.